Guys, welcome to Kasteel de Haar. We are going to do a visit today at this beautiful castle. Not many of them in the Netherlands.
No.
And excuses for the audio, we don't have the microphone, but hopefully the camera's microphone can do a good enough job. You had a walk here a couple of years ago when we were still living in the Netherlands. So it's my first time here. I'm looking forward to this one. So here we buy the tickets, right?
Yeah.
After the entrance. Yeah.
Yeah, and it's a self-service, so you can pick a card for only visit the garden, or you can have a card for the garden and the castle.
Yeah.
So let's check it out.
Yeah.
After buying the tickets, we proceeded to the entrance and the garden.
Whoa, what a beautiful garden.
Yeah.
And yeah, the castle, of course, in the background. We're gonna go on from this side. We see a lot of flowers indeed, as you said, a lot of roses, right?
Yeah, this
Yeah.
is called the Rose Garden. And yeah, we're lucky that they are flowering right now.
For sure.
You smell the rose.
Look at those on that side, those white ones. And this has some information apparently from this place with some amazing background sound. Thank you so much. But oh my gosh, it is smelling, there's so many roses here, it is smelling so good.
Yeah.
This one?
Yeah. Lekker.
Excellent background sound. Wow.
Ja, dat is beetje.
The grounds here are just as impressive as the castle itself. We're talking sprawling gardens, tranquil ponds, and those beautiful manicured lawns. You could spend hours just wandering around, getting lost in the beauty. It's perfect for a leisurely stroll, a picnic, or just finding a quiet spot to soak it all in. And look at those arches. They really add to the majestic atmosphere.
We did buy the ticket to go in the inside of the castle, so we'll be doing that in just a bit. But right now, walking around the beautiful gardens, and they're quite large apart from this side. This back here and all around it, of course.
While it all looks ancient, a lot of what you see today was actually rebuilt and extensively renovated in the 19th and early 20th centuries by the famous architect Pierre Cuypers, who also designed the Rijksmuseum and Amsterdam Centraal Station. Talk about a grand vision.
And in the summertime, then you can buy food, souvenirs, handmade things. Yeah, it's really nice to go to a lamp fair. And then here, this is full of stands. Yeah, it's nice.
This is the main entrance, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, so we're gonna go in and check it out. Seems very, very large, by the way. Welcome to my house, guys.
Doors open.
Yeah. Wow. It's beautiful.
The interior of the Haar Castle is simply opulent. Every room tells a story showcasing the incredible wealth and taste of the Van Zuylen family who owned this place for centuries. From the grand hall to the dining room, you'll see stunning tapestries, elaborate chandeliers, and incredible woodwork. It's a testament to a bygone era, but it's also a place that feels alive, inviting you to imagine all of the stories these walls could tell. Whether you're a history buff, an architecture enthusiast, or just someone who loves beautiful places, the Haar Castle is an absolute must-visit when you are in the Netherlands.
So apparently till the year 2000 or so, the families were still living here, and now they've changed it to a museum, and quite an impressive one.
By the way, my favorite part was probably the kitchen. It's so well preserved and gives you a real sense of what life was like here.
So that was our visit to the Haar Castle. Thank you for taking me here too.
You like it?
Yeah.
Yeah, it was really beautiful.
Used to be close to your old house.
Yeah.
And yeah, we got the ground still in the background with some nice flowers. And I really enjoyed it. It was quite large. And yeah, we walked all through the rooms as you saw. And very interesting, very creepy as castles usually are. But I'm very surprised to see all of this in the Netherlands. And yeah, really enjoyed it.
Yeah, me too. Again, it's so beautiful.
So without nothing more to add by my part,
Nope.
we thank you for watching again and hope you enjoyed this other vlog from the Netherlands. Be planning for more, guys. See you in the next one. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Oops.